Well, the ETF right now is trading about $41 a share, which is implying about $41 per ton of carbon. And so to put that into some context, the three markets it holds are at very different prices. So that's part of the simplification that we bring through the ETF. Europe is trading about $68 a ton. California is trading about $30 a ton. And Reggie is trading about $12 a ton. So very different prices. So we have a weighted basket that gives you that global price around 41. Now, to put that into context, the forecasts are, there's a broad range here, but the consensus is pretty consistently between $100 and $150 over the next few years. So significant upside on this $41 price that we're seeing today in global markets. And of course, as you mentioned, unpacking that, we see three markets. Europe, highly liquid, highly efficient. Thousands of entities trading these futures and pricing in various different dynamics, whether it be traditional legacy energy prices, whether it be renewable prices. And then you look at California, really potentially at a tipping point at $30. It looks a little like Europe did at 30 euros. And over the last year, that's gone from 30 euros to over 60 euros a ton. And then Reggie, perhaps, the smallest, slowest market, very cheap down at $12, $13. Perhaps is the most upside, but might take a little longer to kind of get into the range of really starting to have the moves that we've seen in Europe and California. So three different markets, and they very much complement each other in one portfolio.
All right. Have you seen an increase in investor appetite for the ETF, particularly in the last week or so as a result of the COP26 forum that has been underway in Glasgow?
No doubt. We've seen a lot of interest. I mean, the fund's raised over $1 billion in the last 6 months. And a lot of that is, COP26 itself is a symptom of the need for us to address this issue and the need for us to get a handle on carbon concentrations in the atmosphere. So the price of carbon rising simply shifts those polluting to greener fuel, to invest in greener technology. Everything that COP is trying to achieve is being achieved by the price of carbon. So really, everything that's at stake here at COP26, the success of COP26 will be whether they figure out carbon trading. And this ETF, the carbon markets, give people access to this market already today. So it really is structured to rise in price. And so people are really starting to catch on.